Hello students, welcome back to the class. You know what time it is?
It's math time, ma'am.
Yes, and in today's class we will be learning comparing like and unlike fractions. What are like fractions? As I told you, the fractions which are having same denominators are called like fractions. 4 upon 9, 7 upon 9. Both are having same denominator. So yes, they are like fractions. Now think practically. 4 parts out of total 9 you take, or 7 parts of total out of total 9 you take, which is bigger? 7 parts out of 9 is bigger. Coming to the next, 18 parts out of 50, 17 parts out of 50. So which is more? 18 when you get out of 50, yes, it is more. 16 parts out of 7 or 13 parts out of 7. Which numerator is greater? 16. So when we are having like fractions, that means when we are having same denominator, we have to just see the numerators. Bigger numerator is the bigger fraction. Now at times you may see such fractions where denominators are different but numerators are same. This is just the reverse case of the above. Here denominator same, here numerator same in the next part. 5 upon 9, 5 upon 6. These are not like fractions, but yes, there are numerators same, not denominator. So this is the reverse case. In reverse case, smaller denominator is the bigger fraction and bigger denominator is the smaller fraction. So this is 5 upon 6, having 6 as small denominator in comparison to 9. So this is the bigger fraction. Reverse case, that numerators are same. Coming to the next, 23 upon 12, 23 upon 18. Here also numerators are same, not denominators. So this is reverse case. Smaller denominator is bigger fraction. 23 upon 12, 23 upon 18. 23 upon 12 is smaller. So this is bigger fraction. Next is also same ways. 19 upon 50, 19 upon 28. Numerators are same and denominators are different. So smaller denominator is the bigger fraction. That means 19 upon 28 is the bigger fraction. Now let us see how to compare unlike fractions. Here you can see 7 upon 9, 15 upon 18. Both are having different denominators. So how to compare unlike fractions? We can compare fractions when they are like. So first thing, you have to make them like fractions. Check out mentally first. Can 9 be turned as 18? Yes, 9 2s are 18. So as I told you, when smaller number is the factor of the bigger, then bigger number is always the LCM. So here LCM is 18. We have to take the LCM of denominator. When smaller number is the factor of bigger, bigger number is always the multiple. That means LCM. So 9 can be turned as 18 mentally. 9 2s are 18. So multiply numerator and denominator both by 18. And 15 upon 18 is already having 18. So multiply by 1. So what do we get here? 7 2s are 14 upon 19. Sorry, 18. And here 15 upon 18. Now both have turned into like fractions. Think, 14 parts of 18 is greater or 15 parts out of 18 is greater? Yes. 15 parts out of 18 is greater. That means 15 out of 18 is greater than 7 out of 9. Coming to the next, 1 upon 4, 3 upon 16. First check out new denominators. Can 4 be turned at 16? Yes, 4 4s are 16. That means bigger number is the LCM. LCM equals to 16. 1 upon 4. How denominator can be 16? 4 4s are 16. 3 upon 16. Multiply by 1 only because denominator is already 16. So first fraction becomes 4 upon 16 and second 3 upon 16. Now compare. 4 upon 16 is greater or 3 upon 16? Like fractions? Yes. 4 upon 16 is greater than 3 upon 16. Coming to the next. 9 upon 11, 2 upon 22. Compare the denominators. Can 11 be turned as 22? Yes, 11 2s are 22. That means Bigger number is the LCM. LCM equals to 22. So let us convert first fraction with the denominator 2. 11 2s are 22. Second fraction is already having denominator 22, so multiply by 1. 9 2s are 18 upon 22 and here 12 upon 22. Now which is greater? Both are like fraction having denominator 22. 18 upon 22 or 12 upon 22? Yes, 18 parts out of 22 is greater. That means 9 out of 11 is greater. First fraction. Now let us see some more examples. First fraction 5 upon 6 and 7 upon 8. As usual, we will be comparing the denominators. Can 6 be turned as 8? Smaller denominator can be turned at 8? No. Here we cannot go mentally. So yes, we have to take the LCM of denominator. LCM of 6 and 8. Common table for both. Both are even number. Divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Now 3 and 4 are co-prime numbers. 3 is not divisible by 4. 4 is not divisible by 3. So here only we will stop. LCM equals to shape of L, right? LCM equals to 2 times 3 times 4. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24. So 24 is the LCM. That means we have to make denominators as 24. Let us check out the first fraction. 5 upon 6. How 5 upon 6 can have denominator 24? Table of 6. 6 4s are 24. So multiply fraction by the 4. Numerator and denominator both. And second fraction is 7 upon 8. How 8 can turn as 24? 8 3s are 24. Numerator and denominator both. So 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. And here 7 3s are 21. 8 3s are 24. Now both have turned into like fractions. So now we can compare 20 parts out of 24 or 21 parts out of 24. Yes, 21 parts out of 24 is greater. That means 7 upon 8 was the greater fraction, second fraction. Going to the next sum, 15 upon 9 and 3 upon 5. Compare the denominator. Can smaller denominator 5 be turned as 9? No, we cannot turn it as 9. 5 2s are 10 but not 9. So that means we have to take the LCM of 5 and 9. No common table. So table of 1. So LCM equals to 5 times 9. 9 5s are 45. We have to make denominators 45. Here you can see when the denominators are co-prime numbers, no common table. That in that case, their product is the LCM. 5 and 9, no common table. So we choose 1. So in that case, when the denominators are co-prime, their product is the LCM. 5 9s are 45. Let us convert first fraction 15 upon 9. 9 5s are 45. So numerator also multiply by 5. And 3 upon 5 multiply by 9 will give us 45. Numerator and denominator both multiply by 9. 15 5s are 75. 5 9s are 45. And here 9 3s are 27. 9 5s are 45. Both have turned into like fractions with denominators 45. Now compare. 75 parts out of 45 or 27 parts out of 45? Yes, 75 parts are more. That means first fraction 15 upon 9 was greater. Going to the next. 3 upon 5 and 7 upon 9. Compare the denominators. Can 5 be 7 upon 8? Can 5 be turned as 8? No, we cannot go mentally. Is there a common table? That also now we are going to check. Is there a common table in 5 and 8? No common table. That means 5 and 8 are having LCM as their product. So LCM equals to 5 times 8 equals to 40. You can check out 5 and 8. No common table. So table of 1. So when there is no common table, the product of denominator is the LCM. Let us convert 3 upon 5. First fraction to be multiplied by which number so that denominator become 40? 5 8s are 40. Going to the next. The second fraction is 7 upon 8. By which number we should multiply 8 so that it becomes 40? 8 5s are 40. Now multiply. 8 3s are 24. 8 5s are 40. And this 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. Now compare 24 parts out of 40 or 35 parts out of 40. Which is greater? Yes, 35 parts out of 40 is greater. So turning the unlike fraction into like fraction, you can compare that yes, which fraction is the greater fraction. Second fraction is greater, that means 7 upon 8 is greater. So we have done first way, you have to check the denominators mentally. Can the smaller denominator be turned as bigger denominator mentally? If yes, then yes, bigger denominator is the LCM. Second case, if there are common factor, take LCM. Whatever LCM comes, apply that and turn the fractions into like fractions. Third case, when there is no common table, denominators are co-prime. In that case, their product, denominator's product is the LCM. I hope you have understood the concept. Keep practicing. Thank you. If you have understood the concept, ensure to like the video and subscribe to my channel Math Time by Alka Ma'am. Thank you.